We got it. The new drumstick blizzard from Dairy Queen. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. I'm fixing to get into this bad boy. Gonna let you know what it's all about. Woo! Look at this bad boy right here. Oh! Woo! The new drumstick butcher from Dairy Queen, baby. Woo! Gotta get you some. Sometimes you just gotta stop at the Texas stop sign. DQ, baby. Dairy Queen. Look at that. 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 Y'all want some? Y'all want some? Some Reese's peanut butter cup, baby. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Hey. I died to the fall in my lap. Get you some. DQ, baby. Blizzard. Get you one going home. You know you want it. You know you want it. You know you do, right? You know you want it, sucker. You know you do. Oh, yeah, baby. Get you some. Do some. Hi, I'm Trey Chapman, author and publisher of TreysChowdown.com. I have 5 decades of food experience, and I love sharing my findings with you at TreysChowdown.com. I'm passionate about locating the very best food, drink, and chef experiences in the DFW area. I believe food is an exploration of the palate. Try something new, you just might like it. Let's hook up and be friends at TreysChowdown.com, any social media platform, or just Google me.